Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for a link to my Amazon store where I've compiled some of the very best items available, including some of my own personal recommendations. Thanks! What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. As per usual, I have no idea what is in here. I doubt it has anything to do with the labeling on the front. But I'm aware of only a few more things coming into the channel, so it's one of just a few things, and if it is what I'm hoping that it is, I will be very excited. Thank you so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. If you'd like to check out my Patreon, there is, of course, a link down in the description. There's also a link for my new Discord server, so if you'd like to check that out, there's a link. Okay, let's get into this. I am itching to see what we've got here. The smaller boxes, I'm always trying to be a little bit careful because I never know what's right at the edge. Okay, we're just gonna rip that open. I'm also trying to keep the other information on the box private. Okay, there we go. Best thing about the new background is it's much easier to clean off. Oh my goodness. All right, so there's a thing. And that's a thing. And that's a thing. And here's a note. Okay. Let's see here. All right. Thank you so much for always being so nice and for always making videos. I appreciate it. Oh, this is Moshi Rubin. What's up, I appreciate you, man. Moshi's the one who cracked the joke about the if you caught that live stream, the one about the Benchmade crooked pickle, there's no way to explain that joke and add context to it here. But yeah, you'll have to check out that live stream. So now wait a second. He says, "Hope you like what I sent you." Let's see here. Things I sent you. We'll do it. I'm gonna have to make sure that I understand exactly what is going on. What, do you have an Instagram? Yeah, Instagram. Okay, there we go. Sorry, I was looking for his Instagram. There we go. There it is right there. So you guys can pause and make sure that you get that. Give him a follow. It's because of people like him that I'm able to bring you guys daily content. Let's see here. What do we have first? We have, oh, this is the little fox. That's right. Okay, so there you go. Now, you know, people always get on me. They're like, you should know that these are blind unboxings, guys. So this is the first time that I'm experiencing some of this stuff. Sometimes people give me kind of an indicator of what they're sending me, but, you know, to keep the flow of the video going and also at the same time, you know, well, basically what I'm saying is I don't know anything about this knife yet because this is the very first time I've ever experienced it. So you can see there, this is a Vox. That's about all the information I can give there. What do we have here? Is this like a super old school Leatherman? Or maybe it's just a model that I'm not aware of yet. It's been a long time since I've reviewed anything Leatherman on this channel, but perhaps it's time we revisit that. Thank you very much. And then what do we have here for the third item? We have a little very long tin. Okay. Oh yes, the Turnbolt pen. Okay, so also it's been a very long time since I've reviewed a pen. Most of what I review on this channel are folding knives, but I do very much enjoy, I've told this to people, you know, when I review a pen or a tool, there doesn't seem to be as many people who are subscribed to my channel who like that stuff as like the folding knives. There are definitely still people interested in it, but just so everybody's clear, I love pens and tools. I do. I don't know as much about pens. I mean, as far as you could guess, as far as how tools work, I mean, they're kind of a general part of my life. But I do very much enjoy multi-tools. I'm not aware of all the different models and how popular things are versus folding knives, but it is certainly something I'm willing to explore on the channel. So, Moshi, thank you so much for sending this stuff. I can't wait to take a look at it and give you guys my in-depth thoughts. I think that's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that metal complex logo right here and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody. and have a great day.